See? That's what happens when people pollute the earth. See? See? See that there? Pollution!
We all need to get together and help this planet.
That's good.
Try not to pollute the earth. All the animals in the ocean and in the wild are going to be dying because of all the stupid people that litter. Do we want the world to end?
No.
That's what I thought. So call the video that you are watching. Watch the video that I am videotaping and fight against litter.
Good job.
Yeah. So, see, look at the sky. Look how pretty the sky is. See, if we just littered, the whole sky would turn gray. Gray.
Yep.
Okay. So, fight against littering. Help the earth. Mother Nature needs us. Bye.
Bye.